Hello, hello. Good day wherever you are. Today I'm with you again from MathLink International. We want to explain to you what mathematics consists of, because when some students do not understand the language of mathematics, either they are confused or they are afraid of the subject. But we just want to let you know you don't need to be confused. All you need to know is to understand the language of mathematics. Because if you visit a city or a tribe and you are new in that city and everybody is speaking the language of that city, if you don't know the common language, you'll just be confused. It is not because something is wrong with your brain. It's not because you are not intelligent enough or you are not a wise student. It's because you are new in that place. So listen, if you do not understand the language of mathematics, you may be confused. Now listen to this. Mathematics consists of only about 10 things. The language of mathematics is just about 10 things. Once you understand these 10 things, you can flow, you can score distinction in mathematics. What are these things? Number one, science. We have science in mathematics. If you don't understand science, you cannot really flow in mathematics. Then we have symbols. We have symbols. If you don't understand the symbols in mathematics, you can't flow in mathematics. We also have numbers. There are different types of numbers in mathematics. If you don't understand the numbers in mathematics, you can't understand the language of mathematics. Then we have variables. We have what? Variables. Then we have what we call terms. Terms in mathematics, something like terms and unlike terms and so on. How to gather them, how to multiply them, how to use them. So that is the language of mathematics. Then you have another thing we call angles in mathematics. You need to know the different types of angles that are available in mathematics. Then you can flow. Then you need to know what we call mathematical expressions. We use terms in mathematics to form expressions. If you don't know the different types of expressions, you may even confuse expressions with equations. Now, that's another language in mathematics, equations. There are different types of equations in mathematics. Okay? Then we have what we call graphs. Graphs in mathematics. Then we have what we call diagrams in mathematics. Now, I've told you just about 10 things in mathematics. Number one, I said science, then I said symbols, then I said numbers, then I said variables, then I said angles, then I said terms, then I said expressions, I said equations, I said graphs, then I said diagrams. Good. Once you understand these 10 things in mathematics, you can easily flow. But listen, I want to let you know that, you see, there are basic tools for operating these 10 things. If you're a farmer and you are going to the farm and you do not go with cutlass or a hoe or a shovel to work, then you don't have any equipment to work. The equipment we use in working in mathematics, we call them formulae, theorems, then rules, then laws, then some terminologies. I repeat, you need to master formulae, theorems, rules, laws, and some terminologies in mathematics. For instance, when I use the word terminology, see, somebody can confuse you if you don't know the difference between supplementary angles and complementary angles. They will just tell you two angles are supplementary in mathematics if dash. Now, if you don't know what supplementary angles are, you'll be confused. Then you think something is wrong with your brain. No, nothing is wrong with your brain. You only need to master terminology. Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. That is, if you add 80 degrees to 100 degrees, you have 180 degrees. So 80 degrees and 100 degrees are supplementary angles. That is to say, 120 degrees is supplementary to 60 degrees, because if you add two of them up, you have 180 degrees. Now that is different from complementary angles. Somebody can tell you angle 48 degrees is complementary to angle dash, and they give you different options. Now listen to this. When somebody tell you angle 48 degrees is complementary, now if you don't know the difference between complementary and supplementary, you'll be confused. But when you know complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees, then when you say 48 degrees is complementary to that, you see, you can easily pick your option because the answer is 42 degrees. 48 degrees plus 42 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So that is all you need to know. Master the theorems, master the formulae, master the rules, master the laws, then the technologies in mathematics, then these 10 areas in mathematics. I told you mathematics is consists of, once you master them, then you are a master of mathematics. Nobody can confuse you. I'm going to stop you here because what we are going to do in this program is to break down or go inside those things. When we say inside, we will go inside science, we will go inside variables, we will go inside equations, we will go inside expressions, we will go inside diagrams, we will go inside graphs, we will go inside symbols and pieces everything together and gather them into your brain. Then you become a master in mathematics. Thank you very much. That's where I'm going to end today's program. Bye-bye.